Let's take a look at how we take quizzes in the Digital Literacies game. Just like everything else in this game, quizzes are quests. Here's an example of a quest that is a quiz. It's called Knowing the Rules. You'll see the icon looks like a quiz that's being taken. But you'll notice that it's only worth 0 experience points. Well, you'll see why in just a second. Once you click on the quiz quest, you'll see the familiar preview of exactly what the quiz will be about. And just like every other quest, you'll need to click the Start Quest button. Now notice in the preview it explains to you that you will be showing what you know about this game and learn how to take quizzes. You will receive 2 experience points for each correct response that you provide. And that's why it's worth 0 at this point. It's because you have to first take the quiz, and then for each correct response you'll get a specified number of XP. Now, quizzes in this game are actually taken through the Google Apps for Education system. You'll notice that in the instructions for this quiz, it's clearly stated that you must log into your SAUSD Google account to access the quizzes, and a reminder that you'll receive 2 XP for each item you respond to correctly. So when you're ready, you click the button to get the quiz started, and the quiz will pop up in either a new window or a new tab in your browser. But wait, where's the quiz? Oh, that's right, I need to be logged in with my Google Apps account. Not my personal Google account, but my SAUSD account. In fact, if you are already logged in with a personal Gmail account, you will see a display that'll say you need permission to access this form or this quiz. Now, if that's the case, you're going to simply click the link down here at the very bottom where it says sign in with a different account, and go ahead and sign in with your Santa Ana Unified School District account. Now, taking the quiz is actually a pretty simple process. You're going to need to type in your first name, your surname, that's your last name, and what your GameLab gamer tag is. In this case, it would be Wagner Gael. And most importantly, you need to provide an SAUSD Gmail address. Now, truth be known, if you don't include the SAUSD Gmail address, the system will still work. What you need to know, however, is that what we're collecting here is the email address wherein you're going to get your results in. So make sure you type very carefully and provide us with an email address that is accurately typed and active. We highly recommend you include it in your SAUSDlearns.net account or your SAUSD.US account. Now that you have completed your quiz, you might think that you're done. In fact, you are not. You will get your results automatically, but in order for you to get the experience points in this game for this quest, you'll need to come back into the game and click the complete button in the quest itself. Once you've done that, that will signify to the Game Master that you have in fact completed the quiz and it's ready for verification and accounting. Just like every other quest, a submission pane will pop up. We recommend you type the word done or I'm finished with the quiz or whatever you'd like to signal to the Game Master, and then click the submit button. You'll then have an opportunity to voluntarily provide your completion time, how you would rate this quiz, and then perhaps some feedback to the Game Master or feedback to your fellow players regarding the actual quest itself. But don't forget to click submit. Now, back in the indexes quiz, you'll notice that your experience points haven't been bumped up yet. And that's because the Game Master still needs to verify your submissions and grant you the XP for the number of items that you responded to correctly. That's when you would click on the completed tab just to check and make sure that in fact your quiz has been submitted and is pending approval. Once the Game Master has approved your quest, you will receive the accurate number of XP. And that's it.